Hello, respected jury members and my colleagues. We are here to provide comprehensive solution for farmers' problem, that is Farmers Irrigation Management System (FIMS), developed on Windows Phone by using C Sharp and Visual Studio Basic 2013, and it may be extended to other major OS platforms such as Google Android, Apple iOS as per requirement. At present, announcement of water supply through canals to farmer is being done through loudspeaker and holding meetings. But due to large number of farmers, the information does not reach to all needy. This lack of information results in confusion and chaos among farmers community. Due to this, they get angry and sometimes even break the canals or they harm the government property also. All these factors cause reduction in crop production, water losses, law and order problem, as well as damage to the harmony between farmers and government. The Department of State government are also facing problem in timely collection of water tax revenue from farmers, and thus there is revenue loss to the government.
For solving all problems, we have tried to develop comprehensive solution, that is Farmers Irrigation Management System, which will provide many services to the farmers including water discharge schedule information from dam in advance, emergency alerts in case of damage to canals or in other emergency. Additionally, this will provide facility to calculate their water bills. At the same time, FIMS will provide the contact details of government officials in help and support. Thus, FIMS will also prove to be helpful in creating awareness among large masses of farmers, which will avoid chaos and unpleasant situation among farmers.
How is this app cost effective? Looking at our project, it can be available free of cost on smartphone store. As we know that mobile phone penetration is good in rural area. Our country has the second largest mobile users across the world. Hence, it is very easy to implement. As we know, government is providing many types of subsidies on products such as fertilizers, seeds, etc. Looking at the circumstances, government can tie up with different mobile service providers for providing this facility to farmers, which will incur almost negligible cost on government. And of course, the end user benefits. FIMS offers numerous benefits to end user as it can provide timely information of water supply through canals, emergency alerts, important information regarding government schemes, availability of seeds, etc. to farmers. Payment of canal bills through smartphone may also be provided. This application will help in saving of water and also create awareness among farmers. Further, the use of this app can be extended in any Indian language and its interface is user-friendly and easy to operate.